College, Bahubali. Welcome to 12th Maths First. Student, we had completed all syllabus of 12th Maths First and Second. Due to the Corona, we will now send you the online videos. That the videos are based on the revision part. So you try to solve all the examples in the video. Okay. Today we will start topic number first of Maths First, mathematical logic. In this topic, I will take different types of examples. That examples you solve in your notebook. Okay. First, write the following statement in symbolical form. What is the symbolical form? You know, for and, or, then, if, then, if and only if. These are the statement patterns. Conjunction, disjunction, implication and double implication. We use these symbols. See first, if price does not increases, then demand does not fall. Here, if and then statement is there. So for if and then, we use implication or conditional statement. So we denote first P as price increases. First we suppose the two terms and Q as demand falls. Okay. So what is here if then statement? And does not term is there. Does not means here negation. Not as मतलब क्या करेगा negation. So here what is the symbolical form becomes? Symbolical form is. What is symbolical form? P means price increases. Here does not increase means negation P. If then is there, so we use conditional or implication. Does not fall means negation Q. So symbolical form is negation P, implication negation Q. Similarly, second, we suppose P as 2 is an even number. And you suppose Q as 25 is a perfect square. Therefore, its symbolical form is. What is the symbolical form? C. Symbolical form is. Here, 2 is an even number and is there. There is word and. So we use for and we use implication. Symbolical form becomes P conjunction Q. For and, this word we use the letter conjunction. Okay. Similarly here, suppose this is P. P is a school is open. And you suppose there is holiday. Then what happens? What is the symbolical form? Therefore, symbolical form becomes. What is the symbolical form? C. There is word or. So we use disjunction. P disjunction Q. Okay. So for and we use conjunction. For or we use disjunction. If then we use conditional. And if and only if. This will write if and only if. If and only if is there, they will use double conditional, that is biconditional. Okay, in this way we can write any symbolical form. Such type of question is 1 mark there. Okay. See question second. Write the given statement in symbolical form and determine the truth values. Here, it is such type of question have 2 marks for. Write only in symbolical form 1 mark. Here we write first in symbolical form and then we have to find the truth values. So we suppose here first let P 64 is a perfect square. Second Q, you suppose 46 is a prime number. Therefore, what is the symbolical form? First you write symbolical form. Symbolic form is there is word and, so it is conjunction. P conjunction Q. Now what we want the truth value. What is the truth value of P? Truth value of P is 64 is perfect square. हा perfect square आहे का अंकाचा 8 चा. So its truth value is T and truth value of Q is 46 is prime number. It is correct? No. So its truth value is false. Therefore it becomes P conjunction Q means T conjunction F. In the conjunction, you know the rule of conjunction. In the conjunction, T remains T. So here, answer is T conjunction F is F. So, what is the truth value of the given statement? Therefore, truth value of the given statement is false. You write here, therefore, truth value of given statement is false or F. Is F. Okay. Next second example. For there exists n belongs to set of natural numbers such that n plus 5 is greater than 10. Here n plus 5 is greater than 10 means see n plus 5 greater than 10 means you can write as n greater than 5. Here subtract 5 from both sides we get n greater than 5. 5 पेक्षा greater number natural number आहेत का? आहे. कोणते? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So its truth value is 2. असे n मिळतील का जे 5 पेक्षा मोठे आहेत natural number मिळणार आहे. Therefore the truth value of the given statement is 2. Truth value of given statement is 2. Okay, why? Do you understand? n greater than 5. n म्हणजे काय आहे? n belongs to set of natural number. मासे natural number आहे का जे 5 पेक्षा मोठे आहेत 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So its truth value is 2. Okay. See question number 3. Write the following statement in symbolical form and write their negation. Such type of question is of also 2 marks. First we have to write in the symbolical form and then we write the negation. For negation you know the rules of negation. What are the rules? I repeat here once again. Negation of P conjunction Q. What is its negation? Negation P disjunction negation Q. Negation of P disjunction Q is negation P conjunction negation Q. Negation of P implication Q. Are you remember? Conjunction ला काय होते? disjunction ला काय होते? conjunction. negation प्रत्येकाला देतोय आपण. implication मध्ये काय होते? implication ला negation काय आहे? P conjunction negation Q. And negation of double implication, that is biconditional. First bracket this as it is P conjunction negation Q. And in the second bracket Q, here disjunction, here you change Q conjunction negation P. These are the rules of negation you had already learned. Remember that rule. So first we convert it in the symbolical form, that is in the conjunction, disjunction, implication or double implication. See here, mangoes are delicious but expensive. We suppose first P as mangoes are delicious. And we suppose Q as it is expensive. Okay, expensive means mahal. So what is the symbolical form? Its symbolical form becomes symbolical form. There is word but means but असेल तर आपण काय घेणार आहे? conjunction. And आणि but ला आपण काय घेणार आहे? conjunction. or ला काय घेणार आहे आपण? disjunction. if then ला काय घेणार आहे? if then ला implication and if and only if ला double implication असं आपण घेतो. लक्षात आहे? ओके. its symbolical form becomes its negation. Therefore negation काय लिहायचं? negation of P conjunction Q. What is the negation of P conjunction Q? Negation of P disjunction negation of Q. So we write this in statement pattern, that is mangoes. Therefore negation of given statement is असले तुम्ही mangoes are not delicious or it is not expensive. त्याचं negation काय आहे बघा? mangoes are not, negation means not delicious, disjunction ला or negation Q means it is not expensive. Okay, similarly here see quadrilateral is square if and only if. Here the word is if and only if. So it is biconditional. You suppose this as P and this is as Q. P is quadrilateral is square, and you suppose Q as it is a rhombus. Therefore the symbolical form becomes, what is symbolical form here? Symbolical form what becomes? P and Q if and only is there. Therefore it is biconditional or double implication. Negation, its negation is negation of P double implication Q. And what is negation of P double implication Q? I had told you P conjunction negation Q. It is the formula disjunction Q conjunction negation of. Okay, and now write it in the statement pattern. Therefore negation of given statement is what is its negation? See, one by one we write here P and negation Q and. Okay, P means quadrilateral is square, quadrilateral is a square and it is not a rhombus. Here or we write quadrilateral is rhombus, quadrilateral is irrelevant, quadrilateral is a rhombus and it is, P means not a square, In this way we write the negation of the given statement. See question 4. If the statement P and Q are true and the statement R and S are false, then find the true value of the following statement. असा पण क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला विचारायचा आहे, ज्यामध्ये P Q R 3 टर्म देतील किंवा P Q R S 4 स्टेटमेंट देतील, त्याची व्हॅल्यू ट्रू किंवा फॉल्स वगैरे देतील. सो वी सबस्टिट्यूट दॅट व्हॅल्यूज हियर. बघा आपण काय करायचं, P and Q ची व्हॅल्यू T ठेवायची आहे आणि R आणि S ची व्हॅल्यू F ठेवायची आहे त्या दिलेल्या इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट यू राइट द गिवन इक्वेशन, then you write negation P value is T conjunction negation Q value is T conjunction R is false. Okay, write correctly values. Q statement is true, conjunction R is false, disjunction P is true, conjunction R is false. Okay, now you use the rules. Here negation T means F, negation T means F, conjunction F, disjunction T conjunction F. For conjunction you remember T conjunction T. disjunction. T conjunction F is F. Okay. Now here F as it is, conjunction as it is. For conjunction T is T, remaining F, so it becomes F. Disjunction F, disjunction F. So for conjunction T, F conjunction F is F. Disjunction. For disjunction F, you know, for disjunction F, disjunction F is F, remaining T. So for disjunction F, disjunction F is F. So truth value of the given statement, truth value of the given statement is false, that is F. Okay, understand? You first put the value of P as T, Q as T, R F and S as F. And then negation of T is F, negation of T is F, T conjunction F is F, T conjunction F is F, and then simplify. Okay. Next question number 5 is given. One of the most important question. Write converse, inverse and contrapositive of the following statement. Such type of question is also for 3 marks. Writing converse 1 mark, inverse 1 mark and contrapositive 1 mark. So we first, it is the statement in if then. So you write Px, a function is differentiable, and Qx, it is continuous. I write here shortly, you don't write shortly. Okay. Therefore, symbolical form of given statement is P implication Q. Okay, first you write symbolical form. Now you write converse. First you write converse. See, I write here one by one. Converse. What is the converse? Converse म्हणजे कुठला घ्यायचं? काय होईल? Q implication P. Then inverse. What is the inverse? Inverse means negation. Negation P, implication negation Q. It is the inverse. Okay. And then lastly contrapositive. Contrapositive. How to write contrapositive? This make a reverse. Negation Q, implication negation P. You remember these three points. You get 3 marks of this question. First, the given statement is in the if then form. या टाइप सगळे क्वेश्चन if then form मध्येच असणार आहेत. त्यामुळे तुम्ही हे पाठ केलं तरी चालेल. सिम्बॉलिकल फॉर्म काय येणार आहे? P implication Q. कॉन्व्हर्स काय येणार आहे? Q implication P. इनव्हर्स negation P, implication negation Q. आणि contrapositive काय येणार आहे? Negation Q, implication negation P. And now write this in the statement pattern, symbolical form. Q means a function is continuous. If a function is continuous, then it is differentiable. Okay. Second, inverse negation P. A function is not differentiable. If a function is not differentiable, it's not differentiable, then negation Q means it is not continuous. Then it is continuous. Negation क्या है? Not continuous. And lastly, contrapositive. Negation Q means it is not continuous. Means function. If a function is not continuous, then it is not differentiable. Then it is not differentiable. Okay. In this way, you can write converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Now let us move to preparing truth table. I had completed up to question number 5, how to write in symbolical form. Then write in symbolical form and write the truth values. Then find negation of the given statement. You write in the symbolical form and then find the negation by using negation rule. Then question I had taken is writing the given statement in converse, inverse and contrapositive. Also we had completed writing negation of the following statement. How to write negation. In this way we had completed symbolical form, negation and converse, inverse, contrapositive. Now we move to preparing the truth table. There is question 3 mark or 2 mark question of preparing truth table of the given statement. दिलेल्या स्टेटमेंटचे ट्रूथ टेबल करा म्हणते और the both statements are equivalent दाखवा म्हणते or write the statement pattern, that is it is tautology or contradiction or contingency. In this way we will see the truth table now. Okay, see first, prepare the truth table of the following statements. What is the statement given? Negation P, disjunction Q, double implication, negation P, conjunction Q. Here for preparing truth table, you observe first how many statements are there. There are 2 statements P and Q, and in the second example there are 3 statements P, Q and R. First you observe how many statements are there. So here there are 2 statements, you write P and Q only. So what are the different values? We take first T, T, F, F. Q we take T, F, T, F. In this way you can write first statement. Okay, first write P, then Q. Next, first बघा यात 2 साइड असतात. एक साइड आपण पहिला पूर्ण करू. इकडे साइड काय आहे? निगेशन P आणि Q यांचं काय आहे? डिस्जंक्शन आहे. So we take here negation P. Then take column of negation P, disjunction Q. So here completed left hand side. Okay, first column you make P and Q. Then second column here negation P is there, so negation P and negation Q, disjunction Q. Now here first we make conjunction and take negation P conjunction Q, and then take negation of P conjunction Q. Okay, and lastly last take all these, that is what are the all things here? Negation P, disjunction Q, double implication, negation P conjunction Q. Okay, first you make this row. Now you put the values T, T, F, F first, T, F, T, F. Now negation P. P चं negation, P चं negation काय येणार आहे? F. T चं negation F, F चं negation T, F चं negation T. Now we want disjunction. For disjunction you know F disjunction F is F, remaining T. So whose disjunction is there? Negation P and Q. हे दोघांचं disjunction आहे. पहिला हा आणि हा घ्यायचा. मग F F कुठे आहे बघा? F F F F आहे इथे. F F F. F F ला F येते, बाकी सगळ्याला काय येणार आहे? T. रिमेनिंग आर T. कसं लिहिलं कळलं बघा? डिस्जंक्शन ला काय येते? F डिस्जंक्शन F F येतो. F डिस्जंक्शन F F येतो. बाकी सगळे काय येतात तर T येतात. फॉर कंजंक्शन, कंजंक्शन कुणाचं आहे? दोघांचं आहे. कंजंक्शन ला काय लिहिलं आहे? T कंजंक्शन T, T आहे. T कंजंक्शन T, T. रिमेनिंग F. So we write remaining F. Okay. Now negation of this, T चं negation काय आहे? F, T, T and T. Now we want see this column and this column. ह्या दोन कॉलमचं काय पाहिजे आपल्याला? डबल इम्प्लिकेशन, बाय कंडिशनल. बाय कंडिशनल साठी काय आहे? T, 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 F, F, T. T, T आहे बघा. T, 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 T. F, F आहे का? नाही. So remaining are F. So what is the final answer here? F, F, T, T. Okay, this is the truth table. Now here students see what are the columns here? 3 terms is there in the right hand side. Q conjunction R, and then negation of Q conjunction R, and lastly P implication negation of Q conjunction R. Okay, such columns are there. For writing PQR, first 4 you write T, 1 2 3 4. Then next 4 you write F, 1 2 3 and 4. In this way you can write. Okay, then for Q you write first 2 2. पहिला 4 4 करा, नंतर 2 2 आणि मग 1 T T F F, T T F F. And for R, alternate TF, 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 TF. You write alternate. Okay. Now understand. First you write PQR. हा fix आहे, बदलना नहीं. PQR इधर PQ fix है, बदलना नहीं. इधर PQR fix है, तो बदलना नहीं है. Now we want Q and R conjunction. ह्या दोघांचं conjunction पाहिजे. Conjunction सारखं काय आहे? T conjunction T T. T conjunction T T. T conjunction T कुठे आहे हमारी? Yes. T conjunction T T. Remaining you write F. Remaining are F. Okay. Next, negation of Q conjunction are the negation. T is a negation. F. T T T F T T and T. Now last column. These two. We want conditional or implication of this. For implication TFF, TFF, remaining T. So you write remaining terms as T. Conditional लगाते हैं TFF, remaining T. In this way we completed this question. समजा परीक्षेत तुमचे तर T इधर T असेल, Tच F करू नका असं गडबडीत. इथं सरळ थोडा इथं F लिहायचं. T आहे काय F आहे आपण कळत नाही सुपरवायझरला, त्यामुळे तिथं एक रेषमाला आणि पुढे ते लिहा. ओके. Now we see the last two examples using two table to that. P double implication Q is equivalent to this. Here equivalence is there. Here also we have to make two table. You make two table of left hand side and right hand side. If the elements in left hand side is equal to elements in the right hand side, then both the statement pattern are equivalent. So here first P and Q, two statements are there. Left hand side is P double implication Q. Then next we want C on the RHS, we want P disjunction Q. Then we want P conjunction Q. Okay. Then we want P conjunction Q. Then we want negation of P conjunction Q. Negation of P conjunction Q. And last we want P conjunction Q. Disjunction, negation of P conjunction Q. And almost last, what is the last is here? Last is negation of all these. That is negation of P disjunction Q. Conjunction, negation of P conjunction Q. Okay, you make this column as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You make numbering this. Now P first we write T T F F, Q T F T F, P double implication Q. By condition में क्या है? T T T and F F T. Remaining F. Disjunction में क्या है? F F F. Remaining T. Conjunction में क्या है? T T T. Remaining F. Negation है F T T T. Now we want C P conjunction Q means this and these two columns. We want conjunction. For conjunction T T T. T T T remaining F. Okay. T T T remaining F. And and lastly we want conjunction of these two, T T T. What is the conjunction? For conjunction we want conjunction of these two. Which column? Now we write negation only here. Okay. What is the negation of this? T, F, F and T. Now observe column number 3 and column number 8. From column 3 and 8, all elements are identical. Therefore, that is P double implication Q is equivalent to negation of P disjunction Q conjunction, negation of P conjunction, hence the proof. बघा हे दोन्ही कॉलम आयडेंटिकली आहे तर आपण कुठलं चुकलेलं आहे. And last one, determine whether the given statement pattern is tautology or a contradiction or a contingency. Statement pattern म्हणजे काय? टोटॉलॉजी मध्ये जेव्हा सगळे एलिमेंट लास्ट कॉलम मध्ये सगळे एलिमेंट काय असतील टी, लास्ट कॉलम मध्ये सगळे एलिमेंट एफ आले तर कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन, आणि लास्ट कॉलम मध्ये एलिमेंट्स टी आणि एफ आले तर कॉन्टिन्जन्सी. सो हियर फर्स्ट इज पी क्यू, देन वी वांट पी कंजंक्शन क्यू, देन वी वांट negation p, negation q, then we want negation p disjunction negation q, and negation of that negation p disjunction negation q, and lastly we want all these means p conjunction q conjunction negation of negation p disjunction negation q. In this way we make first what we want. Okay, so here T T F F T F T F, negation P F F T T, negation Q F T F T, P conjunction Q, for conjunction T T T, remaining F. Okay, now here disjunction of these two, for disjunction F F F, F F F remaining T. Only you write here P conjunction Q disjunction negation P disjunction negation Q. This column is only there. मी निगेशन चा लिहिला, निगेशन करायची काही गरज नाहीये. ह्या दोघांचं पुन्हा कोणाचं का हेचं आणि हेचं आपल्याला कंजंक्शन द्यायचं आहे. टी 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 कंजंक्शन टी 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 येते म्हणजे ते काय सगळे एलिमेंट्स फॉल्स. From last column all elements are, from last column you write all elements are F. Therefore given statement pattern is contradiction. सगळे फॉल्स आले तर काय म्हणणार आपण contradiction. Okay, here we completed maximum examples of first topic. All type of question I had covered here. Your today's homework is write all questions in the video, write all examples in your notebook. Also try to solve similar example in the textbook in your notebook and give feedback to your class, to your subject teacher. Okay, we will stop here. See you in the next video. Thank you.